Are you a Black family thinking about moving to Canada? Canada is known for its diversity, safety, and opportunities, but some provinces stand out for being especially welcoming to Black families. In today's video, we'll explore 5 of the best Canadian provinces where Black families can live, work, and thrive. Plus one bonus province you might not expect. Stick around till the end. The bonus province is where I currently live, and I can tell you firsthand, it's a hidden gem. At number 5 is Manitoba, a province that continues to attract newcomers for its affordable living and strong sense of community. The capital, Winnipeg, is home to a vibrant Black population with roots from across Africa and the Caribbean. Families here enjoy low housing costs, good schools, and a growing cultural scene. While winters are cold, the warmth and friendliness of the people make Manitoba feel like home. Next up is Nova Scotia, a province rich in Black Canadian history. Nova Scotia's Black communities date back over 400 years, and cities like Halifax celebrate that legacy through events, museums, and cultural centers. If you want a place where you'll find deep roots, close-knit community life, and a slower, peaceful pace, Nova Scotia is a beautiful choice. Coming in at number 3 is Alberta, known for opportunity and growth. Cities like Calgary and Edmonton are booming, with strong Black communities from Nigeria, Ghana, Jamaica, and beyond. Alberta offers great job prospects, especially in energy, tech, and healthcare. It's a province where Black families can build financial stability and a comfortable lifestyle. And with no provincial sales tax, your dollar stretches even further. At number 2, we have Ontario, Canada's most diverse and economically vibrant province. From Toronto and Ottawa to Hamilton and Brampton, Black culture thrives here. Through festivals, businesses, churches, and communities that make newcomers feel right at home. Ontario also offers excellent schools, healthcare, and career opportunities across many fields. Though living costs are high in big cities, the sense of belonging and diversity make Ontario one of the best places for Black families to settle. And at number 1, British Columbia. With its breathtaking scenery and inclusive culture, BC is a top destination for families seeking both opportunity and quality of life. Cities like Vancouver, Surrey, and Victoria have growing Black communities and strong support networks for newcomers. BC also stands out for its anti-racism initiatives, multicultural policies, and overall sense of acceptance. While it's one of the pricier provinces, many say the lifestyle and atmosphere are worth it. And here's our bonus province, Saskatchewan. Now, I might be a little biased because this is where I live, but I can tell you firsthand that Saskatchewan is a wonderful place for Black families. Cities like Regina and Saskatoon are growing fast, with more and more African and Caribbean families moving in each year. The cost of living is affordable, job opportunities are expanding, and people are genuinely friendly and welcoming. It might not get as much attention as Ontario or Alberta, but if you're looking for peace, community, and opportunity, Saskatchewan deserves a serious look. So, there you have it. 5 of the best Canadian provinces for Black families, plus one hidden gem that truly shines. Each province offers something unique, but what they all share is a sense of community and opportunity. Which of these provinces would you love to call home? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone thinking of moving to Canada.